Okay, all you Jeep fans out there, made this little video or slideshow presentation. Found some old pictures of a Jeep I completely restored back in the late 1970s. It's a 1949 CJ3A, and I tore it clear down, frame off restoration. Got a body kit from Acme Trucks. That they were brand new body made in the Philippines, and I put Volkswagen bucket seats in it, put a 12-volt electrical system with an alternator on it, and I put a 8,000-pound Ramsey winch on the front of it when it was all done. One of the biggest mistakes I ever made in my life was I sold it. I should have kept it, but I didn't. So that's one of the things I really regret selling. There's only two things, my 68 Chevelle and this 49 CJ3A that I completely rebuilt from the frame up. So I'm going to quit yakking now. Old guy here, I'm going to thank you for watching this. Hope you make it to the end. Turned out really good. I'll see you again in another video. Again, thanks for watching. Old guy out.